Hello, good morning, my dear students. I am Dr. V. Sujata, Associate Professor, working in the Department of Computer Science, Vignan's Neural Institute of Technology and Science for Women. Welcome to the lecture series of Database Management System subject. As already you know, DBMS is a subject referred by JNQK in third year first semester under R16 regulations. So before going in depth into this DBMS subject, let us define and discuss where this DBMS subject is being used in our regular daily life. So either you are illiterate person or literate person, knowingly or unknowingly, we are using database management concepts in our daily life regularly. So if you see how the DBMS concepts are being worked, what are the internal things, how the DBMS is doing, you can use all of that applications in your daily life with more enjoyment and with more enthusiasm. So let us see what are the different types of applications in which the DBMS has been penetrated into. So there exists a wide variety of applications where the DBMS is being used. But up to now, I am concisely discussing what are the applications. Only 7 out of the larger number of applications I am discussing in this slide. Let us see what are the types of applications. See, these are the applications that are being used in the DBMS concepts. The first one is in the telecom industry, and the next one is in industrial applications we are utilizing, banking system we are utilizing, sales environment we are utilizing, airlines environment we are utilizing, educational sector, as well as in online shopping we are utilizing the DBMS concepts. So we'll see one by one of these applications how the DBMS is being used and what is the importance of DBMS in each and every type of these applications. So the first type of application, as already I have told, is telecom industry. In telecom industry, the database management system is being used for keeping recording of several kinds of information such as the customer details of the telecom industry, their addresses, their phone numbers, as well as what is the network usage made by them, what are the bill payments made by them, as well as their call history, call recordings, all the kinds of details are being recorded, are being kept stored and maintained by means of a software that is nothing but a database management system. So while coming to the second application is nothing but industrial application. In either we are having the transport industry or any another kind of industry, whether it may be a manufacturing unit or it may be a distribution center or it is a warehousing industry, we are utilizing the database management concept to keep track of their daily reports, daily interactions, what are the daily details of that company, what are the daily details of that industry, all the details are being kept, are being stored by means of a software that is nothing but database management system. For example, if I am having a distribution center, the distribution center can store the details regarding what are the products that are daily coming into my distribution center, what are the products that are daily outgoing from my center. All the details are being stored, all the details are being accessed, being maintained by means of a software that is nothing but database management system. So the third type of application is nothing but banking environment. And nowadays, almost every person in the world, that is 100% of the population, are either using either online banks or offline bank holders are there. So nowadays, 100% of the population are using banks. They are the customers for at least one of the bank. So the bank people are using this DBMS software to keep track of their customers, their customer details such as their addresses, their types, their loans, their income details, their transactional details, their account balances. All the details are being managed by means of a software that is nothing but database management system. So next type of application is nothing but sales industry. While coming to the sales industry, what is the type of customer that is utilizing this type of product? How many products he is being purchased, and what is the cost, the type of invoice details, all the details are also being keep tracked by means of one nothing than none other than DBMS software. So the next type of application where the DBMS is being used is airlines. Normally we are doing the reservations, airline schedules, in which time the particular flight is available, what is its time, where it is being arrival time, boarding time, all the details are being kept, all the details are being given to the customers by means of a software that is nothing but database management system. The next type of application is nothing but educational sector. In the case of your educational sector, the details of the students, the details of the faculty, the details of uh, the courses being told in that particular type of educational sector are entirely being maintained by means of a software that is nothing but DBMS. The last but not the least type of application is nothing but online shopping. In nowadays, in the case of corona period, each and every person is doing the online shopping for their daily needs. So in the case of online shopping, for example, we are utilizing either Flipkart or Amazon. They are storing their customer details, their purchases, they are providing the product information in which they are interested. For example, if you are providing one type of query, based upon your query, they are displaying your matched product details. All that things are being happening the behind scene by means of none other than database management system. These are some of the applications where the DBMS has been penetrated in depth to our daily life. But there exist a lot number of applications where the database management system is there. We don't know actually. So, learning this DBMS subject, you will pay much more interest in order to use all the type of applications. So, with this brief introduction, now let me define what are the course outcomes of learning this database management system subject. The first unit, after the completion of the first unit, you are being able to define and describe the terms database and database management system, as well as you can understand what are the applications of DBMS, and you are going to learn, you are going to compare and contrast the conventional file processing system with database management system and you are going to describe what is data independence, as well as you are able to understand different database models available for the database design and what are the different DBMS architectures available, particularly the three-level architecture as well as the client-server architecture for the DBMS is being learned by you after the completion of the first unit. This is the syllabus of the first unit. It gives an overview of the database management system, the introduction, what is database system, data independence, DBMS architecture, three-level architecture, the role of database administrator, finally the last one is the client server architecture is being explained at the end of this first unit.